a right-handed person. So this is not an exact science. I want you guys to get that. It's not an exact science. Okay? So you are looking at this person. So your right is their left, and so on. Okay? So when you're looking at this diagram, it's like you're sitting across from them. Okay? So if you're looking at me, right, this is my left, and this is my right. Pardon?
So we're looking at you, and you're
Yes, I'm this handsome person. Okay. So again, this is, can you see okay, Evan? Is that all right? Okay. So this is for a right-handed person. If someone is left-handed, it's different. Okay? It's the opposite. So this is not an exact science, but it's fascinating to check in with what someone is. I'm seeing Tanya practice it in the back. She's going like this with her eyes. I just noticed that. Okay, yeah, it's interesting. Yes?
Where does this come from? I mean, what's the source of this?
Neuro Linguistic Programming. Yeah, so this is all NLP stuff. Yeah. We're just giving a really high-level overview of this. So Richard Bandler, John Grinder's work. Okay? So if the eyes go up and to the left, it's visual recall. So you are remembering something. Okay? It's like, oh yeah, so you're looking for a past memory. Okay. So this is something for you just to check out in yourself. Okay, so just, as you are, let's say you're trying to remember somebody's, what their house looks like. Okay, you're driving around, you're trying to remember what their house, if you stop the car, don't do it while you're driving, stop the car, take your eyes up and to the left, you're gonna find that you recall it quicker. Okay, because it links you into your visual recall. Okay? Okay, past. Okay. Now remember, you're facing me. So it's opposite for you guys in the room, right? Okay? If you are trying to remember a sound, so let's say you're trying to remember the lyrics of a song, okay? Auditory recall. So eyes are horizontal, and then if you take your eyes over to the left, it'll be easier for you to remember what someone said to you, what the song is, anything that's auditory. Okay? Right? Is this interesting or what? I know, it's fascinating, isn't it? Okay, now this is the really destructive one. If someone's eyes go down and to the left, and especially if they curl up in a little ball like this, okay, what do you think they're doing inside of themselves? Okay? They are deeply feeling, and they are in negative inner dialogue. It's called auditory digital. Okay, so they are in a massive spin. So if you walk into somebody's office and they're like that, or they're just down like this, they are in negative inner dialogue. The best thing they can do is change their posture immediately. They'll feel so much better if they just sit up. Okay, so if you had a client, and actually, if you remember during the core alignment process, there were some people that were starting to process like this, and we gently came around and just invited you to sit back, because people are starting to get deep into their feelings, and this happens with the core alignment process, right? They start to get down like this, right? And if they go this way, then I can't get this, I'm not good enough, who do I think I am, right? So we want people to sit up and back. Go ahead, Lynn.
Might I tell a really fast story?
Please, tell it. Yeah, come on up here.
Some of you folks I think were in my module once, so you might have heard this before, this story. A few years ago, I took my daughter skiing, and so she was learning how to ski. You guys know this who have more than one kid. One kid has a certain kind of learning style, put their head down, trial and error, stick with it till they get it, methodical, and you hardly hear from them.
Yeah.
And then there's the other kind of learners, a bit like I was when I was a kid. Whoever thought you could slide down a mountain on the skis? My face hurts, I'm so sick of falling down, this is such a stupid idea. Right?
Oh, that's so cute.
So that's my daughter, the frustrated kind of learner. If she doesn't get it on the second try, it's like a really dumb idea.
Yeah.
So instead of saying, okay, stop crying, calm down, instead of saying any of that, I said to her, Sabrina, look up. Look at that beautiful mountaintop. Wow, look how the sun is sparkling on the snow and it's making all those diamond patterns. Look how blue the sky is. That's all I said was, look up, look at that. And she went, we got a mountain to ski down.
Oh, that's a great story. I love it. Mwah. Thank you, Lynn. Thank you, Lynn. Okay. So actually, remember the stress information yesterday and VAK? That's exactly what Lynn, now she didn't need to go auditory and kinesthetics. She just had her look up and it took her out of a highly, highly, highly stressed moment.